All right, the market is about to open in 10 seconds, 6 seconds actually. I've purchased a new fund account, a 100,000 fund account. Now I just have to pass the challenge. So for today, I am looking to take shorts. I'm bearish for the day. We had a high time frame SMT divergence from these highs down to these highs, and then on ES from these highs up to these highs. So we are looking bearish for the day. Currently on the 1 hour, we are still bearish by a tiny fraction. Yes, we are still bearish. So I'm looking to take trades on Nasdaq. I'm looking for shorts. Hopefully Nasdaq takes out these highs and then starts rotating to the downside. Perfect. So I'm looking for something like this. Now goes down, retraces, and then boom, targets all these highs right here. So let's look for these trades and let's see what we can do. Okay, so we had the liquidity sweep. Now let's see what the market wants to do. Okay, so we swept Asia highs on both. Awesome. Also, the daily profile is London reversal, and this should be New York continuation. So let's see how this plays out. Although this was kind of a sweep reversal, and our New York could very much likely go up. But I'm just looking for what the market wants to do in the next 19 minutes. And based off of that, along with my bias, take trades either to the upside or the downside. But overall, I'm looking for shorts today. Also, I'm really confident that I'm going to pass this account this time. So, last trade, in the last video I did, that was a trade I lost my first ever funded account. That was a $50,000 funded account. Now this time, I've purchased a $100,000 funded account, and all I have to do to pass the challenge is make $6,000 on the account, and then I can start trading on the actual fund account and start earning money. So the target is to earn $6,000 in the next few weeks, in the next 1 or 2 weeks. But now let's focus on today. So if Nasdaq takes out these highs as well, it's going to be interesting nonetheless. Let me make this bigger so I can see more. Yeah. So far it's looking good. Let's see. Yeah, so far we are looking really good. The only thing I'm concerned about is whether or not this was the sweep. And we had it pre-market. I mean, past session. Because if that was the case, we still need to look for a 5-minute manipulation to the upside. But there is no way today is longs. Because we also don't even have like draws on liquidity we can trade off of. Like sure, we have these ones, and then all the way up here. Compared to boom, boom, boom. And also looking at the chart, we are on a downtrend. But I'm not sure how long this downtrend will last, since we've also swept these lows with this liquidity sweep. So this might very well be the reversal. So to be honest, we kind of need Nasdaq to sweep these highs if we are looking for longs. If Nasdaq doesn't sweep these highs, there's no way I'm looking for longs. So yeah, to be fair, I'm not sure if this counts as an S&P divergence from this to here. Actually, now if Nasdaq makes a low, this will count as an S&P divergence, which is fantastic. So we swept, now we are retracing. Very nice. Okay, so far we have the following. Liquidity sweep on the 5 minute, break of structure right here. Now we are looking for continuation. Ideally, this would be the ideal play, okay? Actually, what am I talking about? What? No. So far we have liquidity sweep to the upside and no confirmation to the downside. So right now we are looking for confirmation to the downside. But I'm not looking to take any trades until 950, because until 950 we are still in that manipulation period. So if the price continues to go upwards until 950, that's a pretty good sign we are going to look for shorts. And I really hope Nasdaq does not take out these highs, because then we can safely say that that's an S&P divergence. Also, I didn't trade yesterday because there was news, but I could have traded because the news didn't do anything to the market. But I just decided to sit that one out. Today we also had news, but as you guys can see, no change in the market whatsoever. We had news at 8:30, so literally nothing happened in the markets. So hence why I'm trading today. But yeah, overall I'm really confident that today is going to be shorts. I really hope this candle is going to close bullish, because if that happens, we will form a really nice fair value gap that we can inverse, and doesn't look like that's going to be the case, or maybe, hopefully, please, no. Yep, that's not the case anymore. We need to look for a different confirmation. Okay, ES is quite opposite of Nasdaq, which is okay, not complaining. Okay, so ES started following Nasdaq. We need a break of structure. If Nasdaq breaks structures here, it's going to be really good. But also, it's only 9:38 right now. So if, for example, Nasdaq takes out these lows, then we are looking for longs, which is going to be weird. Let's see what ES is doing. Yes, he's retracing up. Perfect. Let's see if the Fibonacci retracement is going to do anything. I don't really like taking trades or like taking confirmation off of the Fibonacci retracement, but because that never played that in my favor. But I've heard it's a good thing. It's a good confluence to follow, but I don't know what to say about that. I'm still looking at it though. I'm not really taking trades based off of it. I much rather prefer a break of structure right now. Or, in the rare case, I mean, the only time I would take a trade based off of the inverse fair value gap is if the candles inverse the Fibonacci gap at the same time. If not, there's no way I'm taking trade. So far, the charts are interesting, to say the least. Let's see. So ES is going up and Nasdaq is still down. Which is kind of good, on ES at least, because if we stay up for the next 5 to 8 minutes, golden. Because then it's shorts time, maybe. Okay. Now we can, actually no. It would be a good time, or like a good thing to make right now, to close this candle bullish, because then we will have a higher low that we need to break below to break structure. Because if we close bearish right now, this is going to be the low we need to close below. The thing is, we also did not have any sweeps that would indicate a bullish movement other than the sweep we had during London session, and then the market did reverse. So this could really much be a New York continuation to the upside, but at the same time we've reversed here and we are in a downtrend. So this could also be a New York continuation but to the downside. So I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you guys. Okay. But nonetheless, if I want to be the best trader on the planet, I need to win trades. So let's see. This right here is really annoying this week because it blocks out all this space that could have been a fair value gap easily. And that we could have inversed for confirmation. But it's okay. So right now I'm just looking for this low to be close below, because if that's the case, then we are looking for retracements and then boom, taking trades off of that. We still have 8 minutes till 9:50, 9:42 currently, and we are looking good. I mean, not really good, but decently. I like the fact that actually, never mind, take my words back. This could have easily been a SMT divergence if we did not go so much higher during market open. I don't see any SMT divergences, but I do clearly see that the market on Nasdaq is going downwards and on ES is going upwards. So they're literally going in the opposite directions right now. Just crazy. ES is going down. Sorry, Nasdaq is going down, while ES is going straight up. So that's the situation right now. Usually when this happens, like in the past trade, in the last trade I did, this could form a bearish S&P divergence. But because the market reversed during London session, the only highs we have are the Asia highs. Interesting. I don't know what to say. We still have 6 more minutes to see where the market wants to go. If the market stays like this for the next 6 minutes, it shorts 100%, I would say. I'm looking for a 2x today. I will go in with $1,000, and we will make $2,000, or like minimum $1,700. Okay, let's see, market is still going up, which is good. Wait, this could be a S&P divergence to the downside. Never mind, this is weird. So right now we could have looked for longs if ES was going straight up, okay, and Nasdaq would have gone down and swept these lows, and that would have formed a S&P divergence, a bullish S&P divergence. We would have had the sweep, the break of structure, and then we would have looked for continuation, sorry, on ES, literally like in the last trade they took. Because so far this looks like the same setup, but now ES is also going up. Okay, we have 5 more minutes to see what the market wants to do. Okay, this could be a S&P divergence from here to here, and then from here to here, but there are no lows, which I don't know what to say. I'm not sure if this counts as an S&P divergence, this one right here. Let me show you guys. Like from here to here, went up, right? And then from here to here, it went down. So if this is the case, this is going to be a beautiful bearish S&P divergence. But again, I'm not sure if this counts as an S&P divergence. But if it does, well, there you go. It's clearly shorts. I'm saying I'm not sure if it counts as an S&P divergence because here we have a clear high, right? A up candle and then a down candle. But on ES we have up candle only. So there's no black candles that could form an actual high that we could trace the lines off of. But this would be a 1 minute S&P divergence. Boom, boom. And then from here to here. So it's a good thing though. But it's not a 5 minute confluence. It's a 1 minute confluence. Still a confluence though. So I'm not sure what to say. So we are still looking to take trades here. On and all, I hope Nasdaq does not take these highs, because this 1 minute S&P divergence is going to be better than no S&P divergence. I'll tell you that. But by the looks of it, Nasdaq does want to take those highs. Like right now would be a perfect moment for us to see down pressure. Like if Nasdaq closes the way it is right now and then starts going down, boom, shorts all the way. Shorts all the way on Nasdaq. We are looking good. But we still have 1 minute and 20 seconds left of this candle. But to me, I might be too inexperienced now, but to me this looks like shorts. Like shorts all the way. Because we have... See? So we have the high time frame. Oh yeah, this is clearly shorts. Oh yeah, this is shorts. I'll tell you why right now. Because we have two bearish S&P divergences. So from this high to this high, bearish S&P, because on ES it's here, right? Boom. So one bearish S&P divergence, and then we have a smaller S&P divergence here. And now it is in 20 seconds going to be 950. Okay. I'm 100% decided on taking shorts. If it goes for longs, so be it. but this looks too much like shorts to me right now. Unless this candle is going to close above this. 3, 2, 1, go down, please. Okay, okay. Now if this candle actually goes down, which I hope it does, I'm 99% sure it's going to be shorts. If this candle goes down right now, like closes bearish at least. Now let's start looking for confluences. Okay, we need a break of structure to the downside still, because we have not see any. So we have these lows. Go down, brother. Just go down. Please don't go up. Yes, go down. Okay, so the SMT doesn't mean anything anymore because we pushed above it. So you also don't even have any places where we could even take a long trade. Okay, now it's going down. So we have we still have the bearish SMT though, the high time frame bearish SMT. This is good actually. You know why? Because we also have a market open liquidity sweep, which is good, which is really good, because we don't have that on ES. Okay, I kind of need, no, I need this candle to close like all the way down here for this to be like clear shorts. Well, thank you. Okay. I think in the next 20 minutes we're going to take a trade. Or hopefully in the next 15 minutes. Because there are no lows to be taken. I mean, there are lows, but they're like really low, which is also good. We've taken all the liquidity, the upside. Now it's clear as day that we need to look for shorts. So we have the SMT divergence to the downside, the high time frame one. We have downwards pressure, which is good as well. But we don't have any confirmation yet. So we are still, we have confirmation to the upside, but I strongly believe that this is just a liquidity sweep. So it doesn't mean anything. The only, I don't want to say, man. You know, this could be a day for longs, not gonna lie. This could be longs today. Because if this candle closes below these highs, this is going to be a bullish SMT divergence being made. Because on ES we are so high. Or actually, I'm not sure. Do we have any gaps that we can inverse? No, we do not. Okay, but this is good pressure. This is really good pressure. I like this. I like this a lot. But on Nasdaq, for some reason, we are not going down. We are just staying here. Now we're going upwards. I really need ES to take out these lows. Or maybe now, no, I just need like Nasdaq to go like fully down now. Or what I think is more likely to happen is now ES is going to close like this, then it's going to make a bullish candle, bringing the lows upwards, and then the next candle will be going to be the break of structure, and then the next candle will be going to be the equilibrium one. So I believe we're going to go like this. Now this candle is going to go up, then the next candle, this one is going to be the break of structure, and then the next candle is going to retrace, putting us into equilibrium, and then from here we're going to wait for a 1 minute break of structure, and then we're going to take trades like somewhere around this area all the way down to these lows, and putting our stop loss like right here, boom, and then take profit huge. This is going to be my prediction. Or we're going to break structure right now right here, like this, and then retrace, and then take trades here, boom. Let's see. Although I'm not sure if I want the break of structure to be on these lows. I would much rather have this candle going up and then closing bullish, and then the next candle closing bearish, because this is going to form a bullish S&P divergence from here to here, and then from actually no, this is perfect. Like if this candle closes below this, it's golden, because the S&P has to be from these lows up to these lows, and yeah, it's going to be really good. Let's hope, because if this candle closes below this one, we are going to have a big gap that we can fill and then retrace off of, and then target these lows down here, all the way down here. Let's see any 5-minute lows we could target. Maybe these lows right here, who knows. Yeah, okay, huge candles downside, we love to see that, but it looks like it doesn't want to close, which is a bit annoying. It's a tad bit annoying. The only thing that's annoying right now is that we still did not have any confirmation to the downside. Because we did not make any gaps. Maybe we made gaps on ES, let's see. No, so no gaps on ES. This is going to be an interesting thing right here. Like this gap is going to be really interesting to see what happens. Because if ES inverses this gap, then it's bullish, and that's going to be weird. So one of my rules I've recently made is we need to look for confirmation on both indexes. So I would love to see a break of structure here on both, like ES breaking structure here, and then Nasdaq breaking structure here, or at least, even though I said I don't like these, having ES close below these right here, below this line. So it's going to be a Fibonacci retracement. But so far, to be frank with you guys, I have no idea. Here's the thing, I'm really new to trading as well. This is, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be my 5th trade. Ever, right? My 5th trade with real money, at least. Okay, so this is going to be, okay, we love that. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be my 5th trade with real money. 6th trade. This is going to be my 6th trade with real money. And I've started learning about trading, like watching YouTube videos and such, in late August. So I've had about 3 months of learning by watching YouTube videos and then just watching the charts. And now for the past 2.5 weeks, I've started taking trades. I've purchased firstly the $50,000 fund account that I failed in my last video. The first 2 trades on that account were successful, were really good trades, but the wait a second. But the last 3 trades were not so good, and then I blew my account. Okay, now it's going to be really interesting because we have confirmation downside. Awesome, okay? But we've already taken so many of the lows, which is also like kind of bad. Because I don't think we're going to get to these lows. Or like these lows. I hope we're going to get to these lows. But it's going to be certainly annoying, I tell you that. Do we still have... Okay, so we still have the... Okay. I really need these candles not to go like this down. So now we have the confirmation. Okay, we broke structure. Let me delete these candles. We broke structure. Good, that's step 1. Now we're in the retracement. I kind of need this candle to like close like right here, or like, yeah, I really need this candle not to close like way down here, because I need a gap. I will need a gap on both indexes. And also the thing is, ES has not broken structure yet. Let's check with the Fibonacci. Please don't say so. Okay. So according to the Fibonacci thing, this is a confirmation. So that's good, at least. We have confirmation on both indexes, okay? Now we need continuation. So most likely this is going to be a fair value gap. Then we need to get into. Then we need to fill. And then off of that, we're going to look for short Renios. And we are making the same gap here. Fantastic. So I would love for both indexes to get into the same gap. But like not right now. Because right now, nah, please don't go up, brother. Okay, nice. Go down, please. Oh my god. Because if this goes up, he's going to mess up my my gap. Because he's going to make it smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and then harder to fill. See? Like, this is annoying. But actually, one thing that's good about having a smaller gap is that once it fills, right? You know for sure that's okay. Let's go down from that point, because if the gap is really big and then it just feels like a tiny bit of the gap, you're not sure if the market still wants to go one more time in the gap, filling it even more and then going down, right? But if the gap is like really small, even if it just wicks the gap a tiny bit, you're good to go. Also, if the gap is smaller, we could very much get into equilibrium. See? So if this might not even be a fair value gap play. This could very much be a equilibrium play. Let's see, because we need equilibrium on both. So we've almost hit equilibrium on say on yes. So this is equilibrium, but I want to take trades, and we have more draws on I kind of want to take trades on ES now, to be honest, because we have also these lows that we can target. So let's see, we have 1 more minute, because we still haven't yet hit neither equilibrium or the gaps on neither of the indexes. If now this closes bearish, it's going to be a really annoying gap to fill. At least I need like this candle to close like here, maybe. Because then if it closes like down here, then another candle needs to go like so much further up. Please just close upwards, Go, please, just go up, 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 up. Yes, go up. Okay, sweet. Perfect. Now we need an up candle. Let's see. Okay, now we have an actual gap. We have an actual equilibrium play right now. Okay, so we have the same confirmations on both indexes. We just have to wait for them to happen. If they do happen, it's going to be amazing. But if the market just keeps going down, like what are we going to do? Is there any other continuation possible here? Because I don't see any. Now would be a really good time for the market just to go up. Boom. Go up, retrace, and then take trades and then win. Really big. I don't really like that there is another gap here on ES. That's the one thing I don't like. Because I'm not sure if ES just wants to fill that gap instead of this one. Or I'm not sure if this even counts as a gap anymore because of the this one we made. So I'm just going to delete this and don't care about it. Okay. The only risk we have right now is ES is going to inverse this gap and then Nasdaq is going to fill this gap. If that happens, it's going to be really annoying because I'm not sure what to take, what to say, what to do. Because if ES inverses this gap, we still have a chance with this gap right here to be filled. I don't know, man. But this, I mean, this is clear shorts. As I said at the beginning of the video, this is clear shorts. But I'm not seeing any confirmation. Like zero confirmation right now. Sorry, continuation. Because confirmation, we just had confirmation here with the break of structure. We are still in a good time to take trades. It's only 10:07 right now. Okay, so yes, it's going up. This is a really good sign. Also, these gaps are really good because if it hits the gap, it also is going to hit equilibrium, most likely. So this is like double continuation. And usually when that happens, it's go time. And like, not gonna lie, ES might have better draws on liquidity because this is like all low resistance liquidity down here, and then but it's like the lagging indicator. That's why I want to take trades on here, because Nasdaq is the leading indicator because of the S&P divergence we've made. Okay, let me go on the 1 minute time frame and just look. Oh, actually, let's go on the hourly and see what happened. Okay, so we are still in a downtrend. Break of structure. Yeah, we are still in a downtrend. Really good. So we are in a downtrend here. We are, let's see, in a downtrend here. Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking really good. Okay. Nice. Boom. Let's see. It's go time, baby. It is go time. Above here, boom. Targeting. Oh, mama. Okay. Limit order. I want to take like. The heck is this then? Okay. I want the ask to be like 0. Boom. Oop. Don't do it, brother. Don't you dare do it. I mean, if this goes down around, this is like huge. Okay, now we need a... this is going to be really annoying, brother. So, what I'm looking for is the following. We have this gap right here. We could inverse, boom. That's like the only thing I'm seeing right now. Oh no, did we close? See, we've, oh, but we fill these gaps. Exactly what I said. So we've inversed this gap, but then we fill this gap above here. And now we're going down. Awesome. Oh no, we don't have the orders anymore. Shoot. Boom. Boom. Limit order. Bid. Okay, this is actually prime. This is so good. This is fantastic. We just need a break of structure. We need to inverse this gap and then a break of structure and then we are golden. Okay. Like 18, like what do you want, dude? 15. Break structure, brother. Okay. 12. Like 11, like what's happening, brother? 9. Inverse this gap, inverse this gap. Go. Okay, 10. What's happening, dude? There is no way it's going to respect this gap. Bro, just inverse the gap. See? Bro, what's happening, dude? Like the only thing is, it's annoying because I don't know with how many units I need to enter. Okay. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay. This is it, boys. It's not it, dude. Come on, bro. Just inverse it. It's not that hard. Come on. We fill this gap. We fill that gap, okay? Like this tiny gap. I mean, this is looking as good as it could possibly look. We just need an inverse right now. Come on, dude. Come on, just inverse the gap for me. No, go down. Down. 18 seconds, please, dude. Okay, I mean, this is even better. If it closes bullish, we will also have a break of structure and then an inverse value gap as well. So hopefully this closes like a tiny bullish candle. Boom, like this, and then go down, straight down. Because now we would have two confirmation: inverse fair value gap, and the break of structure to the downside. I'm stuttering like crazy, but this is like a really good setup, and I wanna take advantage of it. This is like prime setup right here. Now if this candle closes below this low and then below this gap, brother, this trade is mine. Bro, what do you mean, dude? Come on, go down. Just inverse the gap, dude, and let's make money. Okay, go. Just go. What do you mean, dude? Go. Like, nice. 9. Or like 8, dude. Come on. Okay, 10 seconds and we are... Okay. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Just stay there. Just don't go lower, please. Stay there. Nice. Close, close. 2, 1. 1. This is so annoying. This is so annoying. I could bet like so many people just got faked out right there. I mean, this is such a good entry, dude, but it just doesn't break structure to the downside. Nice. But now if it makes like a huge candle down, like what's the point in then taking the trade anymore? I mean, my stop loss is pretty good, ain't gonna lie. Go, brother, go, 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 break. Freaking break. Like this. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, nice. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, go downwards. Enter, boom. Big trade, brother, big trade. Look at this. Okay, let's put our things right here. So my stop loss is here, and my take profit to Reneo is here. So we have a 1 to 1.5. Decent. And now of course it goes down. Huh? So we inverse the gap, we broke structure, now it goes up. I'm confident though, I'm confident. Okay, let's go on ES and see what happens. Okay, when ES we broke structure as well. No, this is good. This is all the confirmation we needed for the markets to go down. Okay. Now let's be patient. And let's wait for the money to come in. The only thing I hope for is that my stop loss is placed good. And I think it's placed really good. You know why? You know what? I really hope this trade goes in my favor, because it's the perfect setup, in my opinion. It's like the perfect setup to take shorts. Like literally. We had confirmation on both Nasdaq and ES. We had confirmation on both, the same confirmation, the same break of structure, the same sweep. And we also have a bearish SMT. Please just go down, brother. Okay. I really need to see like, yeah, like every time I enter into a trade, literally, it just starts flipping to the other side. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. So far, I'm down $300. Nice. Usually, from what I've saw at least, when the market starts consolidating like this, is because you've entered into the correct trade. Meaning, for some reason, whenever you have a good setup and you take a trade, if you took the trade in the right spot, usually the market starts consolidating. I don't know why, but from my observation, this is what it does usually. Now let's see exactly what low I've put my stop loss. What is this, brother? This low. Could this even get to this low though? I mean, this low would be better. But as you guys can see, it just keeps going up for some reason. Just go down, dude. Go downward. Downwards, downwards, downwards. Go down, go down, go down. Yes. Go down. No. So far we are... Oh. So far we are down $100. Okay. We did not break structures to the upside, which is really nice. But we really need to see like huge pressure to the downside. Like, come on, dude. Just touch the green at least. Because we've been in the red since I went to the trade. This looks good. I mean, this trade looks really good to me. Like, this trade looks fantastic. Like, the thing is, even if this trade doesn't go in my favor, I'm not going to be upset at all, because to me it was the perfect short trade I could have possibly taken. Like, such a good trade. This was such a good trade. Okay. $32. Minus $8. $12. $100. $96. $12. Minus 30. Minus 100. Minus 90. Oh. Minus 180. I mean, at least it touched the green. Okay. So we are officially into a consolidation because we've made higher lows and then lower highs. Very nice. But this means if we are in a consolidation right now, it's just a matter of where the market wants to flip. And based on everything, on all the trades and everything I took, I'm really confident the market wants to go down. Okay, so we are up $48. Just go down already, dude. Nice, go down. Go, 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 go. Just go down. Come on. Come on. Nice. Nice. We are up $132. Go, go. Massive wicks to the downside. Go. Okay, the one thing I'm really, I'm a tiny bit scared, should I say, is this area right here, because I'm not sure if the market just wants to reverse off of this, because it could very much reverse off of this. It's going to be really annoying. Or like off of these, like these lows. I wouldn't be surprised if the market wants to reverse off of these lows. So I might, actually, I don't know how to take like partial profits. That's the thing. I don't know how to take partial profits, because here it could be a really good spot to take partial profits. But because I don't know how to take partial profits, like how do you collapse panel, minimize panel, take trade. Okay, position. Close, not close. Yeah, so there's no button for partials, apparently. Break structure to the downside, please. Please. For me, please go, 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 go. Nice, nice. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Position. So we cannot take partials, apparently. Or I just don't see the button to take partials. Do I need to like right click? I don't want to right click on anything. Okay. We have two options. Either close the full trade here I like these wicks. Break structure, please. Just break structure. Go down, 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 down. Break, break, break. Nice. Oh my god, perfect. Okay. Now we need to see what the market wants to do once it hits these lows. Okay, so far we've made $400. Oh my god, never mind. Oh, mama. Okay, so we've hit these lows and then we reversed, which is fine. Just fine. It's not that bad. I mean, the market really is just doing whatever it wants. You know what? I'll do one thing. If the market hits this, how do you take partial profits, dude? Because this would be like a really good place to take partial profits. Like, no questions about it. Unless we just flip right now on the market and we just hit my stop loss. Please don't do that, brother. I was joking. Huh? No, don't tell me we... Oh, no. This is good. I thought we hit an inverse fair value, a bullish SMT. This is annoying. This is really annoying. So annoying. What is this candle, dude? Oh no, I took my... Let me close this because I don't need that anymore. I certainly don't need this. What is this? I'm not going to mess with it, you know. Okay, what is this candle, dude? Like what? What is this? Like, honestly. This is annoying. Okay, so down, down. Okay, we are still... We broke structure to the upside. Pretty heavily. But usually, when there's a swift move up, there's going to be a swift move down. Unless this move up just goes to the infinity and back. Bro, come on. Okay. What? Go down, brother. Just go down. Down. Go. This is quite common to re-enter into the fair value gap, but we just need to respect the fair value gap like hard. Okay, this is really good confirmation again if we inverse this gap. If we don't inverse this gap, it's going to be like problematic. Let's see. Yes. Closed above this thing again. Okay, so this gap doesn't mean anything. We are still in a down, kind of in a downtrend. Let's check the 5-minute and see what happens on the 5-minute. Okay, so we still have now broken structure to the upside. You see what I mean? I mean, this is still good. This is still good. And there was no sweep, like, what? There is no confirmation to the upside. There is no, I mean, continuation on the upside. It's going to be strange. Like, if I lose this trade, it's going to be like really strange because I generally have no idea, like, why would I lose this trade? We really need, and this is what we need right now, to close below this line. I just put my finger on the screen, but you can't see my finger. Like below the dotted line, okay? Like below this line right here. If we close below this, It's going to be fantastic. Please just go down. Go, 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 go. Nice, nice. That's good. Go down, bro. Just go down, bro. Nobody likes it. Go down. Okay, let's check ES. Look, so ES has not broken structure yet. But I have no idea why the market is just going up, 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 up. Makes no sense to me. Like, literally makes no sense. Okay, let me look if there was any bullish confirmation. So reverse, boom, continuation. Okay, break of sweeps downside. No break of structure to the upside. I mean, was this the break of structure? Is this going to be the break of structure to the upside? We've respected the gap. What else? We had another break of structure to the downside. And I was like, okay. No, I think this trade is still going to go in my favor. I'm really confident because I don't see, maybe I'm foolish, but I don't see any confirmation or like anything to the upside. If this just wants to reverse right now, there's based off of nothing. Literally. Like it's just going to flip and whatever. Because we didn't have I mean, we kind of did have a 5-minute manipulation, but this was at 950, like 955. This should, in theory, just go down right now. Because this candle is really playing with fire right now, being above these highs. Brother, what? Okay, just go down. Because we are still in a fair value gap, which is perfectly fine. It's totally fine, but like why? Is that hard to have like a normal trade where you can just take the trade and like go down and follow your take profit? Let's see. Yes. Okay, so we are still in the fair value gap on ES as well. This is the gap. See? Like, so far it's perfectly fine. It is perfectly fine. As long as they just start going down, like right now. Nice. Just go down already, dude. This is the consolidation, see? Like, the market opened, boom, consolidation. And now, the market should flip. Like, this is the point where the market should flip, like, either up or downwards. Like, in the next 15 minutes, the market is either going to be, like, up or, like, down. In the next 15 to 20 minutes. But right now, this is crucial. Like, what's happening right here is crucial. Because we need these gaps to be respected. But the annoying thing is that the market could just wick to my stop loss and then just reverse. And that still counts. See? Like, this thing right here. I think I'm going to move my take profit a bit higher. Because I don't... Go down, brother. Just go down. Fuck you. Confirm. I just moved my stop loss. I still believe this is the move, honestly. Go down, dude. Just go down already. Oh my god. Nice. It didn't close. Okay. Now let's see what I did wrong. Because I've just lost the trade. Which is really annoying. Okay. What did I do wrong? Now if the market reverses right now, it's going to be like really annoying. Huh? Honestly, I don't understand why the market is going up right now. Because it clearly does go up, but I don't understand why. Okay, let's see if there was any... like anything to the upside. Because I don't see anything to the upside. Like generally. Okay. Boom. 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 Now let's look to the upside. So, first thing first, market opened right here. We swept the highs. We did not sweep any lows. And now we're going up. I might do something I never do. Because if this gives me confirmation again, I mean, this trade was a fantastic setup in my opinion. But I need to see what I did wrong, because I clearly did something wrong. Or I just did everything right, but the market just consolidated. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I generally don't see like any other trade I could have taken. Like, honestly. Like, there's nothing else. And now it goes down, of course it goes down. Like, even if it goes down, it just inverts this gap, so it should go up. In my opinion, at least. Go up. Yeah. It's longs. But what is that? So it broke structure to the upside with this candle. And now we should see a retrace. Something like this. Boom. It's like longs would be like... No, I don't think... Like, I don't want to sound foolish. I don't think I did anything wrong. Like, I generally think I did everything right. But just the market reversed on me. Because we had a bearish S&T. During the first 20 minutes of the market open, we've just had manipulation to the upside. We took London highs, or like Asian highs, whatever, like previous day highs. Yeah, previous day's highs. Then we've reversed off of those highs, still in a bearish S&T divergence on the high time frame. Then we broke structure on both ES and Nasdaq. And then we respected the fair value gaps. We also had 1 minute confirmation on both. And the market reversed. The only thing I think I did wrong, this is what I'm thinking. So this is my theory right now. The market, yeah, if you guys look, I said if I don't see confirmation that the market is going to go down on both indexes, I'm not going to take the trade. I also said I don't really like to take trades based off of Fibonacci retracements, right? If you guys see, my confirmation was Fibonacci on ES. On Nasdaq, it did broke structure to the downside, like clearly, right? So what I'm thinking about is the following. we only had confirmation on Nasdaq, but did not have confirmation on ES. Okay? And because of that, we still need to wait for confirmation once again. And we are still going to go down, but later. So I'm going to wait, and I'm going to take another trade to downside. Because we don't have anything bullish. There's literally nothing bullish here. And I still think we're going to go down. So this would be like this whole thing is a massive Fibonacci equilibrium play. So we're still into equilibrium, which is good. But there's no way I'm wrong on this trade. It's like for the past trades I've done, I was wrong, and I saw exactly what I was wrong. Like for the, on the last trade, I instantly saw where I was wrong. But on this trade, I generally cannot see where I'm wrong. And I think I might just be right with what I've just said earlier. Meaning that we still need confirmation. Yeah. You know what? Check this out, boys. This is going to be our confirmation right here. Yeah, both indexes the same thing. You know what? Check this out. Check this out. Now, if these things both inverse this gap, that's our confirmation. That's our first confirmation for the day. Then we need a retrace and just boom, enter trade and YOLO from there. So let's see. I'm really confident that this is exactly what we need to inverse this gap on both indexes. Yes, 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 yes. Go down. Inverse, 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 inverse. Don't respect them. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome. Okay. If we inverse this gap on both, is good. If we don't inverse this gap on either, I guess the market just wants to go up. And there's nothing to do about it. We'll just take another trade Friday, in 2 days from now. Because tomorrow is bank holiday. And yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, dude, come on. Come on, 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 come on. This video is going to be so long. It's already an hour. So Fibonacci, I'm never going to take trades off of Fibonacci ever again. Like that thing is just whatever, dude. Okay, we are in a good area right now. And to be frank, this is a better entry overall. It's going to be, oh yeah, it's going to be like such a good entry to target these lows. Yeah. Honestly, this play is better. If this inverses, I'm going to target these lows on both. On both, I mean, only on here. This play is going to be really good. Because about this John liquidity, I'm sure he's going to hit it. But I'm not sure he's going to go even further. Because this is going to be like high resistance liquidity over there. Okay, please just inverse this gap on both. Oh, this is not looking good. Okay, inverse, inverse, inverse. If it doesn't inverse, we'll just call it a day and yeah. I mean, we'll wait for another candle and then call it a day. Let's see. Okay, this is good. It did not inverse it, but we are going down. This is going to be our ticket to the downside, boys. Yeah, this is actually really good. Yeah, but we have to wait like 4 more minutes to see the verdict. Now, if this candle also doesn't close below, I'll just call it a day and that's it. I'll take my loss. No problem. Somebody's calling. Be right back. Give me a second. Okay, somebody is coming to my house, so I'll just mute my microphone for a bit until they leave. But if they don't leave before I take the trade, I guess I'll just finish this video being muted, but you guys will still see my screen, okay? So yeah, again, this is what I'm looking for. To inverse this gap, then retrace into equilibrium like this. Retrace up here and then take a short. Take a short all the way down here, okay? This is my plan. If it doesn't follow, so be it. Okay, so I'm going to mute myself.